Okay, hello, and I'm presenting the Birkevolle concept, and it means transparent and sustainable textile value chain from wood and sheep into comfortable garments. And our team is coming from Aalto University, Syke, VTT, and Luke. But why Birkevolle? Currently, 2/3 of textiles are made from non-renewable synthetic materials, and there is an urgent need to expand the selection of the renewable choices. And the second reason, the separate textile waste collection starts soon, 2025 in EU, and in Finland even sooner. It's planned starting 2023 in Finland, and that's why new sustainable materials and innovative end uses of recycled textiles are needed. And the third reason, to enable sustainable textile consumption in a circular economy, consumers need more information from the entire textile value chain, environmental sustainability and circularity for their purchase decision. And to understand better the customers' need and interests, we made a survey and asked this from 1,000 Finns. And here are our survey findings. Nearly 80% want to buy more or same amount of clothes made from locally produced textile fibers. So this means that the fibers are made in Finland or in the neighboring countries. 53% of women and 40% of men agree that more information from the whole life cycle of garments is needed. Nearly 75% of consumers think that if they get more information of the product or production, their interest to buy this garment and trust towards a brand would increase. And nearly 70% would like to use their phone with an app to find more information from products and its lifetime. So, our solution combines technology, innovative materials, design for circularity, and product life cycle knowledge based on facts. Our concept is based on a new textile label, which could be QR code or similar, that consumers can use to find reliable information. The tracking is based on the existing technology, and that's why it's easy to bring into use. And the information would include, for example, material origin and production site, environmental impact and carbon footprint, how to extend garments' lifespan, links to service providers for reuse, repairing and redesigning, and recycling information. Our concept contains as well new materials, and we are blending high-quality iron cell fibers made of recycled textile waste or virgin wood pulp and Finnish lamb wool. This blend material is recyclable, and this blending makes new functional properties to material, like softness, strength, warmness, and thermoregulating properties. Garments are designed for longevity and recyclability, and they are made from renewable and or recycled local materials, and the production chain is totally transparent. And what are the benefits for consumers? They would get reliable research-based information, and it helps in purchase decision and recycling actions. And the novel combination of wool and iron cell fibers gives natural functionality, and the garments are comfortable. And the benefits for stakeholders. At least we believe that transparency and traceability opens up new business opportunities for local stakeholders, such as farmers, textile and clothing industry, service providers, and software technology developers. And finally, impacts for environment. Our solution upcycles textile waste into high-value products. Renewable and recycled materials in ion cell fibers bind carbon for product life cycle. But however, holistic environmental sustainability performance needs to be studied and proven. Our team offers a holistic solution for consumers to change their textile consumption more sustainable. And our team is looking for partners like wool producers, material providers, yarn spinners, knitting and weaving manufacturers, other textile companies and brand owners, clothing service providers, and of course our team is looking for research funding to develop this concept further and make it happen. Just welcome to join us. Thank you.
Well, thank you for the presentation. I'm sorry I ruined the name when I tried to pronounce it. No, I think what you have here is a really interesting concept, and of course with the partners you have, something that will really be developed. You did that survey, the questionnaire survey in Finland. Do you think that would be would you expect the same response from, shall we say, another Nordic country or even other European countries, for example?
Yeah, I would say that probably the results would be quite similar in Nordic countries, but I'm not sure if it's the same results all over the world. But at least,
I get that.
But at least in the Nordic countries,
yep.
I suppose so.
I would agree with you. I've got a question here that says, material information is needed in transparency of the supply chain. Is there proof of concept and scaling already related to this concept that you've been showing here?
No, it's not yet done, but we are just looking for partners to do this.
Very good. Well, let's hope that as this is a recording that will be shown or be able to be picked up by people, they will actually contact you.
Yeah.
And you made it quite clear at the end of the slide what you're looking for. But
yeah.
Thank you. It's a really interesting presentation.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you very much.